cannot say. He's got no feeling, no knowledge. How he can say? What they say in Bhagavata, you will find this evidence. Brahma, the Akhanda Brahma, he is the ultimate reality. Bantattva Chadu just Jnanam Adhyam, Adhyay Gyan, not Dvay. That is undivided knowledge. Supreme Lord, transcendental knowledge, has got substance and also potency. Substance is Bostu, in Sanskrit, reality. And his potency, internal potency, his Swarup Shakti. Both are identical, but Bhagavan is who possesses potency. Swarup Shakti can serve Krishna. Swarup Shakti rupe tar hai avasthan. Bhagavan has got two sides. One is Swarup and Shakti Rup. This Shakti is not the external potency of three primeval qualities. No, it will be wrong if you think that. This is the Swarupa Shakti, internal potency. And external potency is the cause of our bondage in this world. This is called Maya Shakti. You will find in Bhaktivinoda Thakur's writing, there he has written, Bhavar name pori, more akula paran, kisekul pavatar napai sandhar. Bengali. This world is bhava. This world is conceived to be a ocean. We have been drowned, we have fallen in this ocean. Bhava. But bhava means another meaning is there. Bhava means that which can be produced. Produced by Rajagun, living beings are produced. That is Brahma's duty to produce. And also bhava means existence. Vishnu sustains them. And bhava, another name of Mahadev. Mahadev is called bhava, Mahadev Shiv, who is the presiding deity of destroying. The three qualities, Raja, Sattva, Tama. By Rajagun, living beings are created. And the created beings are sustained by Vishnu. And by Tamagun, by Mahadev, it is destroyed. This is the body. This body is temporary.